Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show how to install MySQL 8 in Linux and Ubuntu. Let's get started. Open a new terminal and update your system with sudo privilege. With this command, okay, now your system is ready to install MySQL server. So use this command to install MySQL server. Okay, apt install. Now hit enter and type Y to continue installation, and by this command these are the MySQL server package will be installed in your system: MySQL client and MySQL server. Now this is the latest version of MySQL is 8.0. Okay, now hit enter and this will take some time to download and install MySQL server. Now downloaded packages are unpacking, and this will take some time to unpack. Now setting up MySQL server 8.0. MySQL is running as PID, and setting up MySQL server by creating symlink MySQL service. Okay, MySQL server installed successfully. After successful installation of MySQL server, just type MySQL, hit enter, with sudo privilege. Okay, you can access the MySQL database. You don't need to use any password for MySQL root user. In the next video, we will learn how to set the root password for MySQL root user. If you like this video, give a like for this video, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.